This lesson is part 2 of section 4.6, point slope form. So today our objective is going to be to convert an equation from point slope form into slope intercept form so that we can graph it. Alright, so let's take a look now at our example. In this example we have an equation that's given to us in point slope form. So let's go ahead and write that in, point slope form. Our goal is to change this so that we can put it into slope intercept form. So what we have to do is something that we've been practicing a lot this entire year. We're going to have to solve for y. Okay, we have to get the y by itself. So let's start. I'm going to rewrite this equation right here underneath. So y plus 3 is equal to negative 3/4 x, times x minus 8. And then we're going to solve for y. Now our first step is going to be to distribute to get rid of the parentheses. Okay, so we want to distribute first. So I'm going to distribute that negative 3/4 to both of these terms. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite the y plus 3 on the left. And then equals, when I distribute this, I end up with negative 3/4 x. Then because I have a negative times a negative, I'm going to get positive 6. So that you can just type right into your calculator. Now, if I want to get the y completely by itself, the last thing I have to get rid of here is this 3 that's on the side with the y. So I just subtract 3 on both sides, and I am left with y equals, sorry, it's jumping around on me a little bit. So y equals negative 3/4 x plus 3. Now it's back into slope intercept form. And now I can go ahead and graph in slope intercept form. So I'm going to go back up here and fill this in. So in slope intercept form, this equation, after I solve for y, now looks like this. Y equals negative 3/4 x plus 3. So our slope here is negative 3/4, and our y-intercept, the b value, is positive 3. So let's go ahead. We're going to practice this one more time. Let's go ahead and graph in slope intercept form. So remember, we start with the y-intercept. Now our y-intercept is positive 3. So we go on the y-axis and we plot 3. Now we go ahead and we use our slope to graph more points. So let's rewrite our slope a couple different ways. We can rewrite it as negative 3/4, which means I go down 3 and to the right 4. So from here on this point, I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, and then to the right 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's practice that one more time. Go down 1, 2, 3, and to the right 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we also know that we can rewrite this as 3 over negative 4, which means I can go up 3 and to the left 4. So from our point, we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, and then to the left 1, 2, 3, 4. Do that one more time. So go up 1, 2, 3, and to the left 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I'll erase all these loops here. And then we can graph our line, connect our points, and we've got our equation written in slope intercept form right here and graphed in slope intercept form. So let's make sure we understand the process real quick. We started with this equation here. Right now this is in point slope form. Point slope form, short PSF. Now, I converted it into slope intercept form by first using the distributive property. We have that written down here, hopefully in our notes. So we're going to distribute to both terms here. That's how I got negative 3/4 plus x, or sorry, negative 3/4 x plus 6. And then the last step was to get rid of the number next to the y here. So we subtracted 3 on both sides. And we ended up with this equation here in slope intercept form. After that, it's just practicing what we've done for a while now, graphing in slope intercept form. All right, that is the end of the lesson, guys. Nice job. We'll see you tomorrow in class.